Round. So not just Kerala, a number of states are giving minor respite from the lockdown starting today. Maharashtra, which is even the worst affected state, has taken some steps, at least a bold step, of permitting limited industrial activity in green and orange zones where the outbreak is under control. Rajasthan also will permit construction, industry, farming with ample restrictions. Curbs will remain on some activities that will continue till 3rd May. Uttar Pradesh also will permit construction activity in the state. All heads of government departments, including junior officers, have been asked to resume work. Meanwhile, Punjab and Delhi have ruled out any relaxation from lockdown till 3rd of May. Telangana government, meanwhile, has extended the lockdown till 7th May now.
At Shastri Bhavan, as you can see, everybody who's coming in is being sprayed with this chemical, which is supposed to sanitize them. Well, let's just try and speak to these people. ये क्या chemical है?
ये हाइड्रोक्लोराइड है और उसमें एक और किस्म का दवा मिला है.
As you can see here at Shastri Bhavan, the government is trying to maintain sanitation and sanitize every car that's coming in. 2 men are standing outside the gate here at the Shastri Bhavan, sanitizing every car that comes in, while the staff has started coming back. But remember, the central government had started operations. The senior official as well as some of the skeletal staff has been operating for the last several days. But today, on the 20th of April, the Deputy Secretary and above level officials are all expected to join back to work. In New Delhi with cameraman Pavan, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
In terms of relaxation in lockdown, Maharashtra is divided into 3 zones: red, orange and green. Over 9 districts in Maharashtra are identified as orange and green zones, where there are no new fresh cases of coronavirus or there are no cases of coronavirus. So in this particular zone, the business house can operate, but with lot of restriction. First, they have to take special permission from the government officials. They also have to take care of the accommodation and transportation of their workers. District to district travel in Maharashtra is still banned. The people who work under essential services or the supply of essential services is restriction from the lockdown rules. Now, as we talk about Mumbai, Mumbai is still under red zone. There are over 350 places which have been declared as containment zone. The number of coronavirus cases in Mumbai are at highest, and therefore the situation in Mumbai will remain same. Over 2,700 cases have been detected till now in Mumbai, of which over 130 people have died. When we speak about Maharashtra, the total number of coronavirus cases are over 4,200 with over 220 deaths. The good news is over 500 people have recovered and got discharged and are back to their homes. With camera person Sai Prasad Patil, this is Saurav Aktania in Mumbai for India Today.
From Monday, that is 20th of April, the government of West Bengal has announced several measures and several easing of regulations also. Now with this, what changes for the state of West Bengal? The flower markets continue to remain open, the vegetables, the fruits, the regular markets continue to remain open. I'm here at the lake market, which has been open for almost every day. But what has changed? They're not just the social distancing or wearing of mask being made compulsory, being monitored by Kolkata police at every place and every corner of the city, but also ensuring that the government offices open from today with a basic attendance of around 25%. The IT services will also be opening, have been allowed to open their offices today and operate with a basic attendance of 25%. However, the 60 jute factories across the state of West Bengal will be allowed to operate with only 15% of attendance. And with this, as the lockdown continues, even West Bengal continues to see a spike in the number of cases of COVID-19 for now. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
All right, let's also get an update from Uttar Pradesh. Joining me live from Lucknow is Nilanshu Shukla. Nilanshu, so there have been some relaxations given even in Uttar Pradesh, like industrial activity what precisely is on agenda for the government, because they have to also ensure that there are regulations and precautions taken.
Pooja, no relaxation have been announced in 19 districts of the state where more than 10 cases of coronavirus have been reported. And if we talk about the state capital Lucknow, more than 160 cases of COVID-19 have been reported so far. Here, no relief in the lockdown has been announced by the district administration. However, the state secretariat has been opened from today, and all the additional chief secretaries, principal secretaries and senior officers have resumed work. They have been told only to call 1/3 of the staff of the secretariat, and the head of the departments have been told to prepare daily roster. I'm right now at Hazratganj intersection, and if I show you the situation on the ground, you can see that this area continues to give a deserted look. Only people engaged in essential services, media personnels, and the government staff are only being allowed on the road. You can see that the intersections here have been completely barricaded, and police personnel have been deployed here. Announcements are being made. The cops are urging people to remain indoors. And if we talk about the entire state, over 1100 cases of coronavirus have been reported so far, out of which more than 70% are linked to the Tablighi Jamaat attendees and people who came in contact with them.
All right, thank you so much for that update. Nilanshu Shukla from Lucknow showing us those empty streets, strict regulation in the capital city. Nilanshu, thank you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.